Hey guys, it is Thursday evening and I am about to make myself some dinner, and I thought, why not record this and show you guys what I'm making. So my friend years ago gave me a recipe for hamburger soup. I'm not eating animal products anymore, and so I thought I would make this tonight and make a vegan version of it in my Instant Pot. So I haven't started cooking it yet. And I wish I would have started this before I threw everything in the Instant Pot, but it didn't happen. So let me tell you what I have in here. I have one bag of frozen mixed vegetables. This is a 12-ounce bag. I threw the whole thing in there. I have this Gardein beefless ground. It's kind of like beef crumbles, but a vegan version. This is a 13.7-ounce bag, and I probably threw about half of it in there into the Instant Pot, so I have half left. I threw in 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of diced potatoes, 4 tablespoons of this vegan broth base. I've had this in my pantry for a while, and then I added 3 cups of water. So I've never made this in the Instant Pot before, but I'm going to start it off. I think I'm going to try to cook it maybe about 10 minutes because really all I need it to do is to heat up. So I will get this cooking. I'm going to do 10 minutes on high pressure, and I am going to do the sealing, which for my Instant Pot is straight up and down. So we'll do, and this is an 8-quart, by the way, Instant Pot. I'm going to do manual high pressure, and I'm going to try 10 minutes, which is what that says. It may not come across on camera, but I'm going to let this cook. Maybe I'll do a natural release for about 10 or 15 minutes. It's about 4 p.m. right now. I'm just now getting dinner started. So when this is done, I will come back and taste it and tell you guys if it's any good. I would imagine if it's not any good, you're not seeing this video. So, all right, I'm going to pop off here, let this cook, and I'll be back in a little while. Hey guys, it has been 10 minutes. I just threw a towel over top of the little venting thing, and it's been about 2 minutes, and it should click any second. I did realize, there it goes. So I did realize that I did not season this at all. So what I have, I put some Himalayan pink salt, and I just have about, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon here. And then I've got some Mrs. Dash Table Blend, and I've got a tablespoon of it. So let's open this up. Yeah, this is really soupy, which is great. All right, so I'm going to add my Mrs. Dash, and I'm going to add my salt, and we're going to stir that up. It is super hot. I'm starving, so this is like perfect timing. It looks really good and soupy. Sometimes this is one of those things that you could not put enough liquid in and really have a thicker soup. But this is nice and chunky, lots of veggies. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Make sure it tastes good before I decide whether or not I'm going to edit and upload this video, because I wouldn't want to give you guys a recipe that doesn't taste good. Oh, heck yeah. That's good. All right, so I don't know how much I said earlier, but a friend of mine had given me a hamburger soup recipe years ago, and I just loved it. Called for a lot of veggies, broth, tomato paste, just basically, not tomato paste, tomato sauce, all the things I threw in here. But I usually, when I was eating meat, I was adding like a pound of ground beef. So I'm glad that I was able to modify this in a way that makes it plant-based. So I'm going to make a bowl of this and have it for dinner, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.